Today's homework is this. You're gonna copy these prompts on your page right now. So when I teach you copy, you just do this, guys. Number one, on your paper in the bottom or on the side, I don't care where. Just copy the fraction. Number two, copy the fraction. Number three, copy the fraction. That's 40, my bad. It's a 1940, but it's right there. Number four, copy the fraction. And number five, copy the fraction. I did not give you copies this time because now we know what to do, so you can just copy quickly the fractions and write on your paper somewhere. And let me go do number three with you right now. If the bell rings, we'll continue, don't leave. Number three, 1 divided by 40. This is the work that I want you to do now in your homework journal. This you just copy on the worksheet, this side, and now this is what I want you to do in your homework journal. Now this means 1 divided by 40. What we've been doing on the worksheet, right? Nothing new. I hope you're copying. Who goes inside?
1.
1 divided by 40. How can I verify? Bottom out. Bottom out. Bottom out. Next, I'm going to put a decimal on the right side and bring it up already. Now, 1, is that enough for 40?
No.
So what do? Add a 0, which is making more pieces. Now we have 10 tenths, 10 pieces. Is those 10 tenths enough for 40?
No.
Again, no. So every time that you say not enough, we're going to fill it up on the top with not enough as 0. So I go make more pieces. Now we have 100 hundredths, which is 100 pieces. Is that enough for 40?
Yes.
Yes. Now I need to check times what?
2.
I have to go to the side and do what's called guess and check. Very good. Some of you are saying 2, but I'm going to purposely go with 3. So I'm going to go with 3 just so you can see what happens. So it gives me 120, goes over. So I do not panic. We have to go to the side and calculate the side because we don't know the times tables of 40. It's not a single digit. I told you last time when you haven't working with a double digit or triple digit, we have to go guess and check on the side. Let me guess now, instead of 3, I'm going to go with what you all said, which is 2. Is that better, 80?
Yes.
Yes. 3 is not good because it went over. We only have 100 pieces. So what do I put here? 2. 2 times 40, we already have it there, is 80. Now 100 minus 80, how much is that? 20. So what do we do when there's a remainder?
0.
We add a 0, drop it, and now we have 200. Go back to the side. Do you think 3 would be good? No, I think there's probably going to be something better. So what can we guess now? 5? Let me guess 4 first to see what happens. 160, that's better, but let's now go with 5. I would not guess, if you know it's 5, you can go straight to 5. I purposely guess 4 so you can see what happens. Nothing happens. I don't panic. I say, okay, 160. I think that's still too low. So let me try 5 and look at why. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. And guess what? 5 is perfectly 200. So this guy is my final answer of 0.025, which is 25 thousandths. How much money would be that? Be careful before you say it. How much money would be that?
$2.
No. 25 cents? No. Try again. That's what most kids say, 25 cents. Money stops in the hundredth, guys. So think about it. If money stops in the hundredth, that's 10th, 100th. So how much money? 2 cents. Okay? Yeah, I went to the thousands. That's a decimal. 25 thousandths is the answer. But if I want to know about money, it would be about 2 cents. You could say 3 cents because 5 or higher, you add 1 more, but 2 cents, 3 cents, more or less. Okay? Mathematics is really 2.5 cents, just so you know. So once you're done with your work, bowl it around. And in the worksheet, when you come tomorrow, we're actually going to punch it in already in the computer. So in the computer, it's going to look like this. You're going to click on that first box and you're going to tell me what you wrote. You see this little fraction right there? You're going to press that and you're going to put 1 divided by what? 40. In the next box, you're going to go 1. Here's the division symbol, divided by 40. And then who was inside? 1. Who was outside? 40. And what was the final answer? 0.025, which is 25 thousandths. If I want to think of money, I just have to think of 2 cents. But we put the whole thing as the answer. It's 25 thousandths. But once we're putting them in order, I'm going to make you think like money and say, oh, it's about 2 cents, 3 cents. You can say 3 cents because of that 5, but 2 cents is fine with me. Questions?
Le pongo 25.
Tienes que ponerle 25 porque es 25 milésimos. Pero si quiero pensar de dinero, voy a hacer 2 centavos. Okay? Let me do another one. I'll do 1/60th. I'm not going to do all the work. I'm going to just start dividing. Okay? 1/60th. Number 5. And then you do the last 3 at home. 1 divided by 60. Did I write it correctly? Yes. Bottom out. Decimal, decimal. Here we go. 1, is that enough? 10, is that enough? No. 100, is that enough? Yes. Times what? I go to the side and start guessing and checking. What do you want to guess? 2? Let's try 2. It went over. So it has to be who? 1. How far is 60 from 100? 40. Or you can regroup like elementary, that's fine. If you regroup, 10 minus 6 will be 4, 40. What do I do when there's a remainder? Add a 0, good job. Drop a 0, make more pieces. Now 400, is that enough? Yeah, that's a lot. So let me start guessing. Times, what do you want to guess? 5? That's 300. I still think we can go a little bit more, so let's try who? 6. You always try a little bit more if it's under, to make sure. That's 360. That's a little bit better. Let me just try 70 in case. You always want to try a little bit more because you never know. 7 times 0 is 7. 7 times 6 is 42. You can use your times table chart, by the way. It went over, so what's the best one? 6. How far is 360 from 400? 40 again. So guess what's happening now?
Add a 0.
It's gonna what? Repeat.
Add 9.
But we could already stop there and add a line. Very good. So we're gonna write a line over 6 because we know it's gonna continue. So my final answer is 0.16 repeating bar. We won't put the repeating bar in the computer, but we know on your paper you should put a repeating marker that says that this is a repeating decimal. Do you understand? Why didn't I continue? Because we're already in the thousands. But if I would have continued, just so you know, I would have gotten another 360. And guess what it would be again? 40. Add a 0, it would have been another 6, and so on. But we can stop in the thousands. Especially once you catch, like I already caught, it's a repeater. You see this 40, 60, 360, and then again it will be 400, 360, it's going to be the same thing again. How much money would that be? Be careful. 1 cent, very good. 1 cent, or you could say 2 cents because of that 5 or higher. Okay? Money stops in the 10th, 100th, right there. So it's about 1 cent, 1 penny. And I'm making a big deal about pennies because once we're ordering fractions, kids will have a hard time if they don't change it to decimal. Because it does not look like money. We're really going to need the money table when we're ordering fractions, which are car rational numbers. Any questions with what's for homework? So you owe me, if you were not responsible yesterday, you better do my first 10 questions. And now you owe me these new 5 questions. And that's it. There's another 5 after, but don't worry about those. Tomorrow we are going to get the laptop and start transferring page 1, page 2, and then page 3. And I'm going to call home tomorrow if I don't have my 10 questions done, plus my 5, which I already did 2 with you, so you only have how many? 3. If you're responsible, you only have 3. If you were not responsible, you have 3 plus the 10 that you owe me from yesterday. Okay? Let me stop the video and I'll put it in the YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.